finally we're getting an exhaust installed. Look. I know. Who knew a set of $2,500 pipes could do this to a car? What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Miami Miles. My name's Mickey, and welcome back to the 4RS. Today is a monumental day for the 4RS because finally we're getting an exhaust installed. And that gets me very excited because this morning was a shitty morning. Backing out of my garage, I was half asleep. I've woken up, I think, 3 times last night for my little newborn. And I left the car a little too close to the garage. And I closed the garage, and when the garage came down, it hit the front of the car. Thank God this car's got PPF. I don't think it went through. But that's hit me like a ton of bricks on this drive. But it's okay, because the over axle pipes are ready to be installed. I've ordered mine from Fabspeed, and I've actually had them on order for a couple months. I put the order in the moment that they showed them on Instagram, because for about $2,500 bucks, you can install these over axle pipes, make about 18 peak horsepower more to the tire, and about 30 foot-pounds more in the mid-range to the tire, which is absolutely crazy, and it only costs $2,500. And for context, the new Dundon headers and full exhaust, actually without the rear section, I think they do headers and over axle pipes, that exhaust makes about 23 peak wheel horsepower more and around the same 34 mid-range torque more to the tire. So for about $5,500 less, you get quite the upgrade. So I wanted to strap up this camera with a shotgun mic and a GoPro with a shotgun mic to the exhaust so you guys can hear what it sounds like stock. Right now I'm going about 3,500 RPM, 4,000 on the highway, and you can see some of that sound that this engine makes. Now, the thing about the 4RS is that it's pretty quiet on the outside and so loud on the inside. I find myself driving with the windows up most of the time so I can get the most out of that in-cabin resonance from those carbon intakes. Listen to this. So, third gear, out to 9. I mean, in here it just sounds ridiculous, but I know for a fact from the outside the car just isn't that characterful, it isn't that loud. And if this was a .2 GT3RS or a 992 GT3, I would have rushed to get an exhaust installed, but because this car is so loud on the inside, you can enjoy it so much. An exhaust just wasn't that necessary, which is why I've been okay with pushing this back for about 4 weeks. How'd it sound?
Sick.
Does it?
Yeah.
Is it loud from the outside?
No.
Yeah, I didn't think so.
What happened this morning?
Like I said, left the car too close to the garage. That's what happens when you have a baby. You don't get no sleep, can't focus, but look, makes it all better.
Ooh.
I know. Fabspeed did that for me. Shout out to Fabspeed.
Thank you, Fabspeed.
Oh look, the day continues, bro.
Oh, what'd you do?
Look at that.
What did you do?
Don't worry about it. It's one of those days.
Oh
my God.
Oh, let me.
What a bloody finger. Thank you, over axle pipes. Dude. Up my 4RS and my finger on the same day. $16,000. Look at that. They're light. That's crazy, bro. Really hot though. So ridiculously
Worth
light.
the money.
Worth the money. I don't know what the stock ones are, but they're probably 3 pounds heavier. That's a very tasteful person. Got the gold mags.
Yo, it's
What
chalk.
color is this? Is that chalk?
No, sorry, it's Nardo.
I don't know.
That's what I was just informed of.
So it's paint to sample?
I don't know.
I think it is.
Possibly.
That looks sick. No, but look. See, Dylan? This is what men of class drive right here.
Or guys with a lot of wrinkles and 2 kids.
Or 1980s cocaine dealers. That's sick. I want one. Where's my wrinkles though, Dylan? Show it to the audience.
The grays.
The gray beard hair. In case you're doubting, I'm almost 33. Look at this.
Look at that.
Here, look at these OPFs. They're massive, bro. That's gonna get eliminated, as is all of that. So it's this whole piece right here. Besides, actually, it's from the cat onwards.
Where are we at?
We're about to pull it off right now and compare this to the Fabspeed exhaust.
Bro, look at that.
We're like, go! You got it!
Thing is so fat. There we go. Right here. There you go.
There it is. Whoa.
That's gonna be my next wall ornament.
Let's see this comparison. Oh wow. Big bulge.
12 pounds. Something pounds. All right, Jenga part 2. Complete.
Yo, that's a
Complete, he says.
complete installation.
Come on. There we go. See?
So this is the scale of truth.
Yeah, it's gonna be in units.
We're gonna have to get our calculators out.
It's gonna take a bit to complete to just this.
Damn, 12 pounds?
Right on the money, 12.
Little complete, but
Oh wow.
What's it saying?
Like 5.7?
5.7.
Basically 6 pounds.
Ooh.
That's pretty sick, actually.
Thank you, Fabspeed.
Thank you, Fabspeed.
Thank you, Fabspeed.
What's happening?
It's getting turned on for the first time.
Ooh.
Make sure you open the valve, I think. Big difference. Like that burble too.
Yeah. It's a lot throatier.
Yeah.
Yeah. What do you think?
That shit sounds crazy.
Big difference.
That freaking
Yes.
sounds.
Happy?
Very. Very.
I think that's perfect.
That's perfect. I mean, given that we have the 997 and the demand car, bro, for only 2,500 bucks, man, you get a car that sounds that good. That's probably the best mod I've ever done to a car for that price. The mags are going back, the gold mags are going back on. All right, the GT4RS is almost done, but before we go for our first drive with the over axle pipes, this video is brought to you by Faster Media, my production company. If you guys have a business, if you're looking to grow your social presence online, you want to start a YouTube, an Instagram, a TikTok, call these guys because they can help you create some of the most immersive content, some of the most creative content in the world. If you want things that look beautiful like this and like this, there's a form down below. You click on the link, fill out your information, and Faster Media will reach out to you. Anyways, back to the video. First drive. Over axle pipe. Hey, we gave the 4S the pipe. Let's listen to it.
Start it up. Yo, look, it's the same spec as the Jetta. Or the Golf.
That's it. Yeah, it's a Golf.
Same thing.
GT silver.
Same thing.
Black mags. Yes.
Yeah.
Quick.
That's loud.
It's loud, bro.
Yo, that's loud, bro.
Let's go for a drive. All right, so 18 wheel horsepower at 8,000 RPM and 30 pound-feet at 4,500. That's a little different.
Oh yeah, he's got some more balls.
That's a little more powerful. Finally, you can hear the sound hitting everything around you, which is all this car needed. That's faster.
Yep.
Holy shit, bro. Apocalypse, bro. Who knew a set of $2,500 pipes could do this to a car? Takeaways from today: f***ed up my PPF, scratched my finger, but now everything is right in the world again, bro. This is a completely different car. How's it sound?
Loud.
Yeah?
Loud.
Stupid loud?
It's way louder.
Way louder. Alright, that's the end of this vlog. I'm gonna make you guys a little better video where we actually, strap the camera up, kind of how we started this one. I know it was a little mundane and boring at the beginning of this video, but that's because I had no energy. All of a sudden, I feel like I've been injected with a shot of testosterone. I'm conquer the world. I love this thing. This is incredible. Fabspeed, hats off to you guys. $2,500, and you've made me fall even deeper in love. Besides that, guys, if you enjoyed that video, go down below, give me a thumbs up, give me a subscribe, go buy some mother over axle pipes. Love you. Take care.